Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to use Excel for basic math operations. Whether you are a student or a professional or just someone who loves number, Excel is an incredibly powerful tool to perform calculations. So let's dive right in.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
Alright, here we are in Excel. In this worksheet, I have made some basic mathematical operations that include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and square of a number. So first of all, let's start from the addition. So if we have two numbers and we want to add them, you will start your formula with an equal sign and then select the first number that you want to add, then press plus and then the second number, and after doing this just press the enter and you will get your results. Similarly, if you want to subtract two numbers, you have to write equal and then the first number from which you want to subtract and then this negative sign and then the second number and press enter and you get your results. If you want to multiply two numbers, you have to write equal, then the path of the first number, then this multiplication sign and the second number, and you just have to press enter to get your results. If you want to divide two numbers, again you have to write equal, then write the first number, then divide it by the second number and then just press enter and get your results. Similarly, if you want to take the square of a number, just have to write equal and then the number that you want to take the square and then write the power from and then this 2, which means we want to take the square and then press the enter. Now you have set all these basic operations, and after doing that you can change the number. Like for example, this time I want to add 10 in 15. So I just change the numbers, and as I change the number the results are also calculated automatically. For example, this time I want to subtract 10 from 5 and the result is 5. Similarly, if I want to multiply 5 with 5, the answer will be 25. And if I want to divide 20 by 5, now the result is 4. And similarly, if I want to take the square of number 4, then the result will be 16. So you have made a type of little calculator using this Excel. Now you can just change the numbers and your results will be automatically calculated. So this is all about it. In this video I just introduce you the basic formulas and how you can write different formulas in Excel. This will be very helpful for you in the application of the complex formulas. I would advise you to create this type of worksheet and repeat these formulas, make rehearsal and make yourself perfect in it so that you can learn more applications of the Excel in future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy Excelling.